fucking Christ. That didn't work. Why don't you just walk up on me working on it? Like film yourself. Yeah. Walk up on me working on it. And being like, what are you doing? And I'll be like, I'm working on the knuckle frame. Surely
you're happy about being here.
I'm happy about the organization we've accomplished.
Oh, look at these. Wow.
That's been
very organized.
5/16.
Wow, that's nice.
Wasabi P.
Oh, God.
I love it when it stings the nostrils.
Well, this came from China. I don't know if you knew that.
This did?
Yes.
This came from China? You know where it came from?
Where?
A gas station. That's where it fucking came from.
So it's definitely from China.
These might not even actually be peas. The real question, Craig.
What are we eating?
Exactly.
I knew you were gonna fucking do that.
Exactly. Yeah. He's not coming here, obviously.
Why would he come here?
To drop us off food. Our employee of the month. Oh, it's fucking Tim, dude.
No, it is not.
Speak of the devil and he shall appear! Tim, we were talking about you. You wanna know what we were talking about? We were talking about if you would bring us food. Damn it, dude!
Wait, so you don't have food?
Wait, so you didn't bring us any food?
Do you have anything? Like chips?
No chips.
I have chips.
Do you actually have chips?
Yeah, you want chips? I can get chips.
We
I'm
get...
gonna get some fucking stupid chips.
Alright, listen, I know that we're both, you know, have yucky bodies.
It's pretty bad right now.
Alright, we're both sinners and we've sinned and our bodies are showing it. But should we get the white pizza?
There it is.
There's one piece of the puzzle. Gloves. Gotta wear them.
Why are you gloved up?
I'm worried that I'm just gonna scratch, my gross hands are gonna scratch them or scratch it. One.
Wow. That is insane.
Oh yeah, this is your first time seeing it in real life.
Yeah.
Neat, right?
It's absolutely insane. It looks crazy, dude.
I'm pumped. I'm very excited about it, that's for sure. This is our semi-stainless steel wishbone frame. How do I, yeah, that's the best way to describe it, I guess.
Half stainless, half
Sure.
crazy. Carbon steel.
Yeah, I forgot how I had these. I made these last winter.
You guys make a fucking mess.
Employee of the month! What do you mean we made a mess? This is the most organized the shop's ever been.
Ban. We ban organizing
We
it.
ban organizing, bro. Nothing to say.
Organization.
It's not the good job.
Organization.
Tim, we need you to make a commitment to us.
You're very non-committal.
You're non-committal and we need you to make a commitment to us. I don't know. God damn it. Why did I make this last winter? Why didn't I just...
Wait.
Wait. Why don't I remember? Remember, Winnie, remember. Remember, Winnie, remember. I think I might have... I don't fucking know. Hold this right here for a second.
John?
The exciting saga of building a frame from scratch. And the stress. Look at that. Just throw that thing away.
Why do we even have this?
I don't know. Throw that thing right in the trash.
I'm gonna hit it.
Oh my god.
Throw
Should I do
that
it?
in the garbage.
Hit the fucking diamond.
Should-
Hit it.
Which one?
Hit the fucking dime.
Should I?
Get it, Craig.
I throw...
Jesus
Oh
Christ.
my god, why would you do that?
Ice House Polishing.
House Polishing.
Represent.
Shout out. We're here at the pawn shop. This whole fucking fixture's fucked, dude. We're gonna fucking scrap the project. I'm gonna scrap the project. All this YouTube channel is doing is fucking me.
Should I just put this on Pornhub?
Can we put stuff on Pornhub?
I think I don't. Why not?
Right, I guess you're right.
Oh, Tim's doing it. There goes the GoPro. Flip.
Here you go, boss.
Thank you, bud. You are the best. Dude,
Bruh.
Beer gut, 43.
Dear God.
All right. Has fucking tinnitus in one ear
That's
and
me.
the gout.
Are you talking about me?
I am talking about you. Great idea. Let's get stainless castings. Fucking fantastic.
Whose fucking idea
Whose
was
dumb
this?
idea was this? Oh, I ripped the gloves. Oh, I ripped the gloves wicked bad. My hands are sweating.
Try them off.
Okay. We're good now.
Hope so.
We're ready. I can't do it.
Subby beta cock?
A Safi Beta.
Cook. 100%.
Subby Beta Cup. I do it the old-fashioned way. I hit it with a hammer.
How you fix most things.
Fuck! Oh, I fucked my nail up. Three-eighths nuts and washers. Cunt. Oh my fucking god! I mean, dude, that's
I wouldn't know about that.
that's pretty in there. What?
Your crate's right here.
I don't need it, dude. I don't need it.
Here you go. No. Step. A step of your feet.
This is bullshit, and you all know it.
Big Bear chocolate?
This fucking thing is stripped out.
No, they.
No, Wixie!
Are you just brushing your teeth over there?
Dude, where are you brushing your teeth? I don't know what that was. Was that a snap?
It's bubble wrap.
Oh. Okay, that's probably it. Whack it. Or should I whack it? Now it looks fucking off again. We don't have a collet big enough for this. Wait a minute. Nope. I wouldn't, probably not. Doesn't have flats on it. It needs flats for these, and it won't reach. It needs to reach both holes. I mean, it doesn't need to reach both, but it needs to at least reach one.
It should.
On a flat, yeah. Why? Stripped out.
Where'd you throw it away?
Yeah, no.
Throw it at him.
Don't throw it at the diner. Hit the diner. Hit it.
That sounded like loud.
What's going on
They're
upstairs?
skateboarding, bro. It's a skate shop.
Those fucking kids. Those kids with their fucking skateboards.
Him is a crotchety old puss hound. I think that's gonna do it. All right, where are my safety glasses? 'Cause if this thing breaks off, it's shooting me in the fucking face. Do you concur?
Do you want me to look?
Do you concur?
Look at it from the side.
Do you want me to look at it?
Yeah.
Do you concur?
You're good.
Do you concur? Tap it over. All right. Yeah, let's call it.
Holy fucking shit, I gotta go outside. I gotta go outside, I can't
That's a
watch
fucking panic attack, dude. Take it.
The only thing that scares me is the two flute.
Is the two flute? Yeah, the two flute's scary, but you know what? We're gonna run it on slow. Holy fucking Christ! That didn't work. Two flute down.
I knew I had reservations about that. But what are we supposed to fucking do?
I mean, I probably could have bolted the front half down,
Oh yeah.
but I don't think that would have done it anyways.
I don't think so either.
All this time wasted. Fuck. Maybe don't put this part in. All right. So this didn't work.
Look at
Okay. It gouged it. I gotta re-weld that now. On to plan B.
which is
I don't know yet.